So this is where we are today. Do you know what? I actually don't know the name of this place. The reason we've come here today is so that John and I can do a drag race. So you might have seen that video already because that'll be the one before this. Ooh, hello inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. Forgot that bit. So there's quite a few of us here today. Yeah, quite a good group. So we're going to go out for a paddle in that direction. And by the time you see me again, we'll already be quite a way up there because we'll have been fanning about doing the drag race for a bit. As I say, previous video.
Good job!
Well, we've just had a bit of fun doing the drag race and now we're just doing the normal thing. That's the inflatable traitor over there. Mr. Creaser, still to be christened with a nickname. Yet to find him one. And everybody else is at the back because, you know, obviously we were going hell for leather with the drag race. Got to admit, it's quite nice to be out in this Ottawa again. I do like it. But then I might sell it and get an easy light. Look at that, Marion's got himself an easy light. So there's 2 easy lights on the water today. I definitely want one. We've just been at the back having a bit of a yak. So I'm going to hit the motor. Here we go. And just enjoy it a bit. What is this stretch of water? Yeah, it's lovely here. How are you doing, Grandad?
What?
How are you doing?
Well, I'm alright. You?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Good.
How come your little mascot's not on the front anymore?
Because you complained he's in the way. And he is, so.
I'm river hooligan it.
River robber. Go on, can't get it.
Inflatable traitor. In fact, 2 of them together, look. 2 inflatable traitors. Arseholes. Got a young swan here, bless him. Hello. Couldn't see you there because of the sun.
No, I didn't try to do it.
Have you caught anything?
Just started.
Just started. Well, good luck.
It's a bit nippy though. Oh, yeah.
It is nippy, isn't it? Chipped ice off the van this morning just to get going. I can see a rail sign over there that says Crowy. Hot coffee. We're all putting a lot of effort in today. So as I record this, it's the 17th of November and it's a bit of a chilly one today. I had to chip ice off the van before I set off. I got a bit of a surprise. It just looked like water on the windows and on the windscreen. When I put the windscreen wipers on and nothing happened, it was like, oh dear. You get that scraping. It doesn't really sound like that. But yeah, had to defrost the van this morning. First icy morning we've had. And we're due this week for snow. Yeah, there's a yellow weather warning in place this week. Temperature's going to drop, which could make for an interesting paddle next weekend somewhere. Yep, we're right next to a train track. Incoming. Wait, is that a dump as well? Right up ahead, there is a big weed bank crossing the... We actually can't tell what it is just yet, but crossing the waterway here. Still don't know where the hell we are.
Speed ramp.
Speed ramp, yeah, come on, eFin's on. We might even just be able to move it as a group. Wow. Raf's found a way through. Oh, I've got stuck. Well, this is a new one. Oh, it's slowly moving. Are you pulling it? Let's just see if we can pull it round and hem Frank in totally.
Before he gets you.
Frank's over there, so if we can pull this round and just totally box him in. Mr. Ruffles has just said, of rough paddling fame, that I can do a re-entry practice in his Easy Light. So somebody had asked me on the Easy Light review video to do that, so I might do that when we get back. But that will be in a video that follows this. We've just spent a lot of time yakking today and pootling along. It's been nice. It's lovely out here today.
Yeah, it does glide, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Nigel's quite happy with his Sea Eagle purchase.
7.
This looks quite good round here with the wind turbines. Not sure what that power station is. That one there. I don't even know if it is a power station. I've no idea what the hell that is. I'll have probably found out by the time I upload this video and put it on the screen next to me now. Hello, young'uns. It's been one of those trips where we've just spent a lot of time yakking and having a bit of a laugh. But also looking ahead to trips and stuff that we might do in the future, and in particular next year. A young lady called Gabriella has been in touch with me. If you're watching this, Gabriella, hello. And she suggested one, and quite like that idea. I've just mentioned it to the machine there on the right, and he'd be quite up for that. So you know which one I mean. Yeah, if you want to do that one, I think we'd like to do that with you. Won't mind having one of those wind turbines on the back of the boat. Like something out of the Florida Keys. I know, I'm a daft bugger. But in other news, there's lots of lovely pylons around here. It's a beautiful view. We're just saying there's quite a few swans on this stretch of water. Up ahead in front of the chaps there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I can see. 6. Yeah, there's another one in the 6. So yeah, look, no pylon, just a nice big wind turbine. I had to laugh in Mr. Ruffles' recent video where he drew reference to a pylon.
You can treat the fans to a lot of pylons there, look.
There's a lot in there on the periphery.
There is, yeah.
Yeah, it's pylon central.
I think now's a good point to turn around.
And we do like a nice pylon, and Swan Dodger, for obvious reasons, he might have caught that, wants to turn around. I wonder why.
I think now's a good time with any.
To be fair, this is a nice place where you could get out and just sit and cook some brunch.
Cook a swan.
Cook. I don't think the Queen would approve if she was still alive. You're just saying, I don't think I've actually ever been up quite so close to one of these. They are quite impressive. And up ahead, the boys are still chasing swans. Just made my way up to Swan Central. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 now. Bloody hell. Fat lad coming through.
So you ain't got much space to lay down.
Is that the Trent up there?
Yeah.
Look out, John!
He's coming for you. Hey up.
Ooh, ooh.
Nice pylon. Oh, look, a collection. Very attractive round here, isn't it? Anyway, just up ahead there, we've got the lock gates. Kind of takes you somewhere into the Trent area. I'm going to crash if I don't put this camera down. What does that sign say? Vaison's Bridge. Anyway, I think I'm going to get out and stretch my legs. Ooh, landed. Not showing you my bum today. Let's go for a little nosy. So yeah, Vaison's Bridge. Looks like that way takes you to whatever that is. Lockkeeper's Cottage. There's loads of quackadoodles down there. There's all the chaps. Quite a nice little area, isn't it? I'm going to be doing an MRE ration pack. Looks like Grandad's got his kitchen.
Yes. Old beef burger.
Smells alright, that. There she goes. Warming suit up. Oh, that was a good ripper, that. We've done a bit of fine dining. Time to head back. Got the wind in our face a bit now, but I'm not bothered. This is where the eFin will come into its own. A little bit of chop slap. You doing? Getting comfy?
Yeah.
Not bad, these eFins, are they?
It's hard work.
It's hard work sometimes. Yeah, hard work. Got the little trail of bubbles coming out the back of his boat.
Get out of sport mode then. Hey? Sport mode, is it? Sport mode?
Sport mode? Don't know what you mean. Woohoo! Scott Pilgrim's doing alright there, look at him go. He's just bought that boat off John, as well as one off me. Loaded, that lad, absolutely loaded. And I don't just mean with money. Police helicopter up there looking for Babyface. Is he here? It's a little bit stiller here, a little bit more sheltered. Nice. Is that all that weed we went through?
Yeah.
It's all moved over?
I moved it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, good work.
It'd be easier for everyone.
Well, I was very kind of you, James. I don't care what anybody else says about you, you're alright. Right, I'm going to give one of the granddads, grandad number 2, a bit of a tow with the old eFin. Oh, taking up the slack. What's it like back there? Oi up. Coming through! Coming through! Carnage back there, carnage. Right, let's put it in sport mode.
I think you've got Stephen on as well. He's not look behind you.
How many of them are hung on there? How many have we got?
We've got 4 at the moment.
4. I mean, that does explain why I'm only doing 1.8 miles an hour in sport mode. So we're up to 6. I'm going to crash. That looks mad. I can see it in the small screen on the front of the camera. That looks bonkers. One of them said, what's the braking strain on that rope? I said, about 4 fat. It's like I said about this eFin. When I first got it, I never realised I'd have so much fun with it. What is it, Indy? What is it? Right, so John's eFin's on, my eFin's on. And we've got
I'm trying to steer us away from the bank.
So we're double motored now. I never, as I said before, I never thought I'd have so much fun when I got this eFin. So much daftness. Raining a bit now, it's raining. John's going in for the swan. He's moving in for the kill. Swan dodger no more. I'm surprised it hasn't taken off, given the fact that we look massive. You know, there's all of us lot grouped together. We must look quite intimidated to that poor little bugger, but he don't want to go, don't want to fly. We've had a bit of a laugh today. I am probably going to wrap this video up around this time frame. You can see there's water splashes on the camera. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, you know what to do about the whole like, subscribe thing, blah, bloody blah. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio. Hang on. Well, we've gone back to where we launched and it started off a lovely day. Not so much now. Not to worry. Catch you later.